welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, on today's video I will be showing you how to make the best Zobo drink for you and your family. If you want to know how I prepare this beautiful Zobo drink, watch this video to the end, like, share, subscribe, so whenever we upload a video you will be the first to be notified. After peeling off my pineapple, I kept the pineapple peel aside, then wash my Zobo, add it to your pot, add your pineapple peel which you kept aside, add it to your pot, add a handful of clove, then add a full cup of water, put it on your gas and allow it to simmer. The next thing that you go ahead and do is slice the pineapple, blend it together with your apple. Then after blending, extract out the juice, keep it aside, bring out your Zobo drink which you parboiled for 10 minutes, extract out the juice, turn it together and your Zobo drink is ready. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch the full video. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye guys, I'm seeing you all on my next video.
Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here